Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank card or bank account number to your PayPal account and at the same time withdraw to that bank card or bank account. Okay, so very quickly, I'm going to go into my browser. But before I do that, don't forget to give this video a like, follow me on TikTok, and share the video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and open my YouTube channel and click on the red button below the video to subscribe, because I'll be coming up with more interesting video on how to make money online. Okay, so without further ado, let me go into my browser. So now I'm in my browser. I'm just going to enter paypal.com. Okay, paypal.com. So I'm right on paypal.com now. So now you're going to click on login. You see where the right login. So I'm going to log into my account. Then we'll take it from there. Okay. So as you can see, I'm now in my PayPal account. Let me use desktop version. Okay, I'm in my PayPal account now. So all I just need to do now is to make a transfer. If you have not linked your bank account or bank card to your PayPal, this is how to do it. On this account, I link my Pioneer card and my Pioneer account number to it. Okay, so to link your bank card, all you just need to do is to come over here, see where the right um, account settings. Okay, click on that. Then you see where the right money, banks, and cards. Okay, click on that. Okay, so you allow it to load. It's coming up. All right, so you can see there are options here to add a new bank, add a new card. So if it depends on what you want to do. If you're adding a new card, all you just need to do is to click on link a new card. Okay, so enter your card details, the expiring dates, and the likes. Okay, and if you are linking a new bank account, like maybe you have a Pioneer account or your normal Nigeria account, all you just need to do is to allow it to load. Okay, you just hit link a new bank. You can see here I already linked my account here, Community Federal Savings Bank, and I already linked my MasterCard to my Pioneer MasterCard. So to link a new bank, just click a new bank, and you allow it to load. So all you just need to do is to link your bank account. Okay, so you're just going to enter your bank details, other savings or checking, the account number, the routing number, and click on agree and link. So that's how to link your bank account and also link your card. Okay, so having done that, you just go back now. Now I want to, let's say you've already linked your bank account and your card. Now I want to withdraw into the card or withdraw into the bank account number. For me, I use Pioneer. I use Pioneer. So you can use Pioneer card, you can use your big Pioneer um, Pioneer card or Pioneer account number. So I'm going to go now and transfer this fund into my Pioneer card or Pioneer account number. Okay. So to do that, all you just need to do is to. So now you can see, you see money in $26.85. Money out. So I'm just going to click on transfer money. Transfer money. For those who don't know how to create a PayPal account, I have the video on that here on TikTok and also on my YouTube channel. So you can go ahead and watch that video on how to create a PayPal account. So I'm not going to go through all of that in this video because I've already done justice to that. So just go ahead and watch the pin video that I have on this TikTok or my YouTube channel on how to create a PayPal account that can send and receive funds. So this video is just basically on how to link your bank account or your card to your PayPal account and also how to withdraw into it. I've already shown you how to do that. So now you can see my account. It is already there. Just click on next. So this is the amount I'm withdrawing. As you can see where they write available balance fee, no fee. So they're not going to charge you to withdraw into your Payoneer account. They're not going to charge you. So what you just need to do is to click on next. Okay. So just watch. So you're going to review it if everything is in order. So if there's any error, you can easily edit edit it. So I can see everything's okay now. Transfer fee is free. So everything's okay. I'm going to click on transfer. So it's going now. Okay. You see your transfer, you transferred 26 blah blah blah. Your transfer bond to your bank using this. All transfer are subject to review. So we are done. So you just click on done and you wait for your money to land in your Payoneer account. Okay. So guys, that's how to do it. So that's how to link your bank or link your Payoneer card to your paper and withdraw into it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the follow button. Go ahead and follow me on YouTube and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more interesting videos on how to make money online. So thank you for watching this video. Peace, guys.